Hey guys, welcome back to another video or cooking vlog. I have a special guest. Cut. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is a cooking vlog. Travis and I, my husband, if you're new, we are going to be making a meal that he decided that would be great for us to try and make. Tell him the meal that we're making, baby. And then I'll do
making chicken minis.
Chick-Fil-A Chicken Minis.
Chick-Fil-A Chicken Minis.
Yeah, so.
See if we can nail it.
See if we can nail it. And then first we're gonna start with, you already know, drinks. We're gonna make strawberry sunset mimosas. We're gonna do that first because we like to drink while we're cooking. That's the tip for you guys. If you're making a meal, especially when you have no business making or don't know how to make, drink. It tastes better. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is put the strawberries in the bottom of the glass. This is gonna start the sunset. Oh, the Grand Marnier, can you grab it?
Yeah.
We're gonna take some strawberry topping. This is by Smuckers. And we are going to, didn't we make a drink with this before?
Yeah, we did, but not this.
No, not this, but what was that drink we made? Something with this though. We used it, didn't we?
Yeah.
Okay. And I'm really winging it, guys, because the recipe called for something else. So I'm just winging this part. So that's what we have. I think so, hold on. Grand Marnier, this is made with cognac and orange liqueur. Okay. Okay, so the topping is still sitting at the bottom is what you want, because that's gonna create. Why didn't you warn me that you were doing that?
Didn't know you need one.
Golly Lord. We are, for Prosecco, we're doing the Josh Prosecco. Now, Chav, you remember we had this brand in the Cab Sav. Josh. This is the Prosecco. Remember last week or week before we had the Josh, the wine?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Let's do it, let's do it.
Enough to make it look like the sun. Yep.
Right at the little top of the glass, huh?
Yeah.
Boom.
Oh yes, that's nice. Okay, then we're gonna put our little garnish on. The garnishes are important, you guys, if you're looking for, you know, the way that it looks.
So that
the mint, you just
leaves gonna go.
You don't have to drink it with this. You don't have to drink it with this. It's just for the look. How pretty. Nice. Can you guys see? Gorge.
That ain't bad right there.
Yeah, that's cool, right?
Yeah,
take
yeah,
your
definitely.
mint.
Take that damn mint out of there, boy, that tree.
What's saying here? Are we liking it or what?
I like it, yeah. It's warm, but I like it.
It's sweet.
It's very
Should we
sweet.
put a piece of ice in it or no?
Mm-hmm.
Piece of ice, a little bit. Really good, actually. Mm-hmm. Especially after you put the ice in, I feel like I got a little mint something in there, bowl.
All right, let's get it show on the road.
All right.
Out.
Okay, Travis is seasoning the seasoning. Boom!
This is not the seasoning.
Y'all are so corny. Can y'all stop? Y'all are so.
For the actual batter, we're using the House Autry chicken fry. This is the original crunchy recipe. This is what we're going to be using. Of course, I'll link all the ingredients below. Travis has already seasoned the batter. Onion powder. I'm going to flip it over. And we're doing garlic powder.
Garlic powder, okay.
Pepper.
That's very unhealthy.
So unhealthy, but it's gonna be good. You know, when you eat a meal, you're not supposed to be eating it. It's disgusting. It makes you feel awful. If you're eating something that's not good for you, but it's good, you don't feel so bad.
No, you feel horrible.
Mentally, you don't feel bad that you ate it. That's what I mean.
Mm.
Like you ate a big whopping burger from Wendy's that was amazing.
Yeah.
You're like, dang, that was good. If you had a big whopping burger from Wendy's that was disgusting, like, oh my gosh, I ate that. I feel so bad.
I can't put this in cereal.
No, what is buttermilk? Yeah, you know what? Yeah, we'll put it in cereal.
It says February 25th. Is buttermilk thick like that?
Yes.
Buttermilk.
That's why you don't put it in cereal.
There's no way to put it. So we have chicken seasoned in here. We have the cube, small cuts, breast chicken. We have seasoned with seasoned seasoned salt, onion powder, garlic powder, pepper.
Put my gloves on.
We got the buttermilk in there, the egg. What does the honey butter come in at the end?
Touching that raw chicken. Huh?
The honey butter comes in at the end, right?
And it's you just like the top and you glaze it. Like you put butter on bread.
Oh, okay. So what we're gonna do next is mix this and then
Put it in the seasoning.
fryer.
And drop it
Is the
in.
fryer, is it getting hot?
You know, yeah, of course. Then we're gonna nail it. We're gonna be Chick-Fil-A or no Chick-Fil-A.
Okay. What you vote?
You gotta be the judge.
Because
You
you
think we can nail
love
it?
Chick-fil-A.
You think mom and daddy can nail the Chick-Fil-A Chicken Minis?
Yeah. Maybe.
Maybe. Hi, you got no
CJ?
comments? What you guys, CJ? You think mom and daddy can nail the Chick-Fil-A Chicken Minis?
No.
Oh my
I'm
god.
joking. I'm joking.
Ooh, it sounds like it's hot.
All right, so you know I ain't never touched that before in the egg.
A yolk.
Look at it. You ever touch an egg yolk? Can you pick it up? Yo, you can't pick it. Look. It's a real thing. Y'all ever held an egg yolk?
You just said it's a real thing.
Yeah, you don't twist the food.
Oh, chicken wing?
Guys. That's all chicken you bought.
Is that a chicken
Hey,
wing?
Marnier, you messing with the angle.
Thank you so much.
I'm something like a chef.
Y'all know what I want to be before a rapper?
I miss my
A
call.
photographer.
You know what I want to be before what I am? A chef.
And that's what you're not.
I'm not
Oh,
a chef.
period.
Well, y'all hating. You better not eat not one daggone drop either.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think I'm making a mess.
Round two, vote. Are you
I need some more gloves. Tell y'all what. I bet you after y'all watch the video, y'all will start cooking with latex gloves.
Getting ready to start frying the chicken.
No, we ain't not made no chicken gizzards.
Next video.
Chicken gizzards. People don't know chicken gizzards, man. Trying to turn them people into country people.
A good cook. You guys, Travis really can cook. Like, he's a great cook. I think we should use CJ Song Time with you for our
I like it.
live spending time with you.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey, that's it. That's it. That's the intro.
Spending time with you.
Hey.
What you think, CJ?
Hey.
If you pay me.
How much you got,
Your
baby?
parent.
That's how they make money when people use their song
Yes,
videos.
I'm your mom though, and this is your father.
Oh, we got to break that apart. Yeah. Dang, I didn't touch that darn chicken.
Mm-hmm.
Why is your glove not on?
Because I was trying to use the other hand to drink with.
Oh.
Can't put too many in there because it soggy it up.
Ah, there's a method. There's a method to the madness.
If you get popped on camera, I'm keeping that for the rest of my life.
You get what?
If you get popped on camera,
That's gonna make Dad cuss.
I'm not cursing. Because she ain't heard me cussing. She know it. So she waiting for something to make me
I'm
cuss.
pretty sure Dad
Thank
cussed
you,
while he was
Kaylee.
in the car.
Did you hear me curse, Kaylee? Be honest. No, I don't curse no more.
Yes, you did.
No.
Cussing for 2 days and saying you don't curse anymore is crazy.
It's been like a month, right, Kaylee? Come on, be
A
honest.
month is crazy. It's not
The
been.
minimum?
It's not a
Y'all
month.
hate-
At the minimum, 3 hours.
Thank you.
Oh, y'all hate.
Let's just say like a week. We
Oh,
give you
y'all
that.
hate.
7
Y'all hate.
whole days.
Okay, yeah, because a month is insane. That has not been a month.
You know what? Y'all hate. Get it real quick. Let me start frying my chicken like that. You see?
Ooh. So the egg makes it more crispy.
Mom, I'm
Yeah,
trying to
look
get the
at it.
extras.
Ooh, gotta be golden brown though. When we get a Chick-fil-A status.
Alright, no, birdie now. Because that's it. That's it.
CJ, let's get
I
that.
make that bread, eh? You gotta throw the bread in.
Your bread takes like 15 minutes. You still got a whole thing to cook.
Hey, it's gonna take 5 minutes. You know it's gonna take 5 minutes to fry.
Alright.
How long it take for that bread to cook?
Like 15 minutes.
Yeah, go ahead and put that bread
Or
in there.
17, actually
Put
17.
that bread in there.
Are you sure?
Possible. I've been so showing my life.
Okay.
Yeah, no. We got
Sister.
married, I was pretty sure. I was sure, bro.
You better
I was
be
sure. I was like, yo, I ain't doing this but one time. So one hit. Boy, I'm sorry.
Sister Schubert's Parker House style yeast rolls. All my parents who are on the go during the week, this is so easy. My kids love these dinner rolls. You put them in the oven just like this. Mmm.
It's a celebration. Dang, them tops on white fall.
I like the cha-cha.
Hey.
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 Oh, I like the cha-cha.
Hey.
And this is going on YouTube. Mom,
I
What
like
you
to
using?
cha-cha.
please
Hey.
edit it out, Mom. We don't need to see that.
I like to cha-cha.
Why is it so slow?
Huh? What'd you say? What'd you say?
Why you turn around so slow?
Call me cha-cha.
Caution.
Yeah,
Caution,
cha-cha. Baby, I told me to send him a picture of the food was done.
Oh, he did?
I sent it to him. He was like, I sent him the video. He was like, good.
I can hear him now. I miss Davion. He should be here to taste his food. Oh my god.
Well, my mimosa or these chicken nuggets?
The mimosa. Okay, that's definitely done for sure. Oh shoot.
Oh, no.
Okay, guys, we're gonna take out the first.
Batch of chicken nuggets.
Yeah, first batch is coming out. But yeah.
Okay.
What's done? The rolls are done.
Them rolls up done already?
Mm-hmm.
Cut the oven on warm.
Rolls are done.
Is it
Oh my
easy to
gosh.
tear it?
Yes.
Is it better to cut it or tear it?
To cut it. For
Okay.
sure. You were right. Because
Yeah,
I wasn't cutting it, guys. I was opening
You
it
ain't got to.
with my hands, and Travis said cut it, and he was right. So we're
This
gonna
is teamwork.
cut it.
That's what you get married for. When you ain't thinking somebody else is.
That's the whole point.
Yeah,
Teamwork, marriage, friendship. That's
Because I
what
never
you're supposed
think.
to-
So I need somebody to help me when I ain't
Oh,
thinking.
shoot.
Because I don't be thinking.
Chicken
Okay.
in there.
Oh, that's
Chicken.
alright.
This one.
Okay.
And chicken.
Well, look. That
I'm
look
trying to
good,
pick like the
I got you. I see what you're doing.
smallest chickens. This is what we're looking like, guys, without the drizzle. Do them not look like chicken minis? It's hot.
That's right for the show. Oh, yeah. You can like paint it too.
Killer.
Once you put it on there, it's like paint it over the bread.
Yo, what are you doing, baby?
You have to realize and remember, you want the butter to make it soggy.
And that's not gonna make sense. It's gonna give it that Chick-Fil-A taste. Yeah, that look good.
It's gonna taste better than Chick-fil-A because you got the honey, bro. Chick-fil-A ain't got honey.
Let's see it right now. Let's do it. One. That's right there. Let's take that little fuck. Let me do it a little bit. I'm gonna do it a little bit. It's time, guys.
Y'all ready?
Alright, that's it right now. Go. Everybody, hold on, I gotta tell what Davion said.
What?
Everybody wants to get creative and innovative when I'm in college.
Fine. Tasting.
Alright, let me get mine.
We're gonna dip in the sauce.
I mean, Chick-fil-A sauce, right?
Yeah.
Good.
Here we go. Ready?
Bang, bang, bang. Mm-hmm. Mmm.
Give me one more chance.
Mmm.
No, we nailed it. We nailed it.
Is that what is that?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see that, Kevin.
We nailed it.
A little bit left, but
We nailed it.
You guys, the crunchiness of the actual chicken on the inside is amazing. The flavor, the seasoning of the chicken is amazing. This is so good. The butter glaze on top of the actual situation is crazy. Chick-fil-A where? Chick-fil-A who?
Mom, there's no self eat Chick-fil-A.
We cleared the whole plate,
We
y'all.
nailed it.
Look
We
at
nailed
that.
it.
I would do it again 100%. Like, I actually, and I'm not lying, those were better than Chick-fil-A.
1,000%.
The actual chicken was chickening, okay? With the seasoning and the situation with the crunch, with the savory of the actual roll and the honey butter drizzle. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is going to conclude the vlog. Let us know in the comments below if you've tried to make this meal, what meals you want us to make.
All right, no. Tell them to make the meal and tell us how it turned out.
Yes, tell us how it turned out. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you don't miss any uploads.